top 10. We going further. We were top 10 dead or alive. I swear to God, you already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Nice little run though. Get out, go touch some grass. How you doing, my friend? How you doing? How you doing?
I'm sorry for the...
No, you're fine, man. There's a couple cars on here. One of these cars is mine. Alright, so if you guys couldn't tell by now, this BMW's mine. I'm not gonna tell you what BMW it is yet. Got some door damage. Damn. It starts up and everything fine, right?
Yeah.
Smooth. Yo, the door popped out when the window went down. Definitely gonna need some headlights probably. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Cannot wait to have this on the road, bro. Shit. Clean, bro. I'm gonna pop the hood for y'all later, but clean interior, bro. Obviously not that clean right now. I'm gonna clean this shit, but you know what I'm saying? Black on black, black seats, red trim.
Okay, Pop.
Got base rims on it. Yeah. Thank you, bro. Okay, thank you so much, man.
Enjoy.
I appreciate it, man. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yo, shit runs and drives, bro. Got one key, man. I've been my boy. Yo, black roof liner, black interior. You already put dry carbon on the trim. That's fire, bro. Like, I fuck with that. Damn. This is tough. And it fucking drives, bro. We gonna get it up in the air, see how rusty it is, because it is from New York, so I got a running and driving BMW. It's the best day of my fucking life. No check engine light, bro. Just the airbag shit, because obviously the current airbag deployed. We got no check engine light, boys. And they crashed it with almost a full tank of gas. I know homie was tight. Fuck, he probably just filled up. If you are the owner to this car, please hit me up, bro. I'd like to know the story, for real. You're a BMW owner, y'all. Let's get this back to the curb. We got Harman Kardon speakers in this, bro. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can see, this is not the boosted Civic. Recently, I made the decision to get a daily driver. I know I'm a Honda boy at heart, but I'm also a Beamer boy at heart, bro. Always wanted a BMW. This is a perfect entry into the BMW world. This is a 3 Series, as you can see. F30 chassis. Yes, boys, we got a 335i with the N55 motor. Many reasons why I went with this platform over the N54. In my opinion, you get a lot more bang for your buck. N55 motor is a straight inline 6 with a twin scroll single turbo. Makes around 300 crank. But the main reason that I got this car was to be a daily driver. I am gonna modify it on the channel, don't get me wrong. This car's gotta get me around every single day. So we're gonna keep it kind of conservative. But yeah, this is a 335i, looks very nice, but not all the grass is very green, bro. Oh! On this side, you can see, obviously it has some damage. Driver's side fender, a little bit of the hood. A little bit of the front bumper got clipped, and the driver's side door is all gonna be getting replaced. It don't got comfort access though, that's one thing I kinda don't f with. Ooh, I gotta get used to that beat. God damn. That's another thing. That shit cooked, bro. It's an auction car. Had around 100,000 miles on it. Show y'all the motor. Yeah. Oh shit, I left that shit over there. Gotta go back and get that. But yeah, I picked this up from the auction for a pretty good deal. Let me show y'all the interior, bro. Like, it's not vacuumed this shit right now, but this interior is clean, bro. It's the auction place. They wanted to rip out the airbag, so they fucking took it out the improper way. They actually ripped the whole headliner out trying to take it out. So I'm supposed to drop the headliner first and then drop the airbag out. But I guess they didn't feel like doing that. So I might have to get a new headliner. Also, seat airbag deployed. So we got to get this replaced and then stitch the seat back up or just get a new seat. I'm not sure which is cheaper, but I'll figure it out. Harman Kardon speakers. It's tough. I'm not gonna lie, this shit sound good, bro. It's nice having music. It's been a while since I had music, bro. I'm saying we're gonna fix this up. I'm excited to enter the BMW world. Thank you, shout out Christian, Vehicle Virals, for pointing me in the right direction. Told him my plans, my long-term plans for the car. How I wanted it to be a daily, something kind of reliable, you know what I'm saying? The M55, they revised the M54, made it a little bit more reliable. Can't get as much power out of it, but that's not really something I'm looking for. I'm not really trying to juice 500, 600, 700 horsepower out this motor because I have a fully built boosted Civic already. Purchase wasn't really about speed. It was more of getting something that I could drive around that's more me. I really did love the F chassis. I wish I could have got an M, but we're not there yet. This is a great starting point for me to enter the BMW world. 335i, man. This is the worst form you will ever see this car in. It's in extremely poor condition right now. Cosmetically, mechanically, it looks pretty good. I do see that the oil filter housing gasket is already leaking. That's a common fail point on these motors. I haven't checked the charge pipe yet. That's also a common failing point on these motors. They tend to break because they're plastic, I guess. So before that does happen, we're probably gonna just upgrade to the metal one. And I don't know, but for some reason, this tensioner right here, this one right here that I'm pointing at, it was shaking a little bit when I had the motor on. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm not sure if this is normal, but you guys let me know. That shit don't look normal to me. Might have to change that pulley. That shit just shaking a little bit too much. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, because the belt does run on it. I ain't really trying to trip out too much. So other than that, this motor seems to be unmolested, untouched, which is a great thing. But I will be modifying this vehicle. I will be the first one to touch this motor, which does feel good. So I know y'all see the front bumper. This is the least aggressive front bumper the 3 Series probably fucking has. Shit is ugly as hell. Definitely gonna fix that. Not sure what I'm gonna go with yet. As you can see, the hood is dented from the impact, so we got a new hood. We have it paint matched already. Luckily, we found it on Facebook Marketplace paint matched already. We got a brand new fender paint matched already, but the clear coat is coming off. And we also found a door paint match. We got very, very lucky. We found this all locally. Well, like, not locally, but 3 hours away. Close enough for me to go pick that shit up. Save some money on shipping, man. Let me give y'all a look at the good side, bro. I'm not gonna lie, because this car does look so good. I love the F chassis, bro. F chassis is so good, bro. Even at one of the lowest trims, it's so hard to make an F chassis look bad, bro. Look at these basic ass wheels. I did wash the car a little bit before I'm filming this video, but let's get this shit started, man. I'm excited. Let's get this car in the garage. I might have to go buy some tools though to take the door off, because this shit uses like reverse torques or some stupid shit like that. Some German shit they got going on, bro. If y'all see this type of bolt right here, that is not a regular bolt, bro. So I'm gonna have to go find that somewhere. All right, so we're about to get started real quick. I think the easiest thing to do first would probably be the door. I'm gonna get that started. Once I get the door off, I'll probably get the fender off here also. Got the brand new hood. Well, not brand new, but new to us. Paint matched and shit. This car is mineral gray, so got the fender in mineral gray. Fender has some clear coat issues, but we'll get it repainted or wrapped, not sure yet. And then got the door in mineral gray also. So that saves us a little headache, so we don't look like a complete idiot rolling down the road without getting everything matched up. All right, so it's nighttime now. I went to eat and shit, but we're getting the damaged door off. Disconnected the door harness. There's a bolt right here, one bolt right here. There's an inverted torque, so I had to go buy a set at AutoZone. But once I release this, the door should come off. I'll go ahead and put on a new one. I'll probably have to transfer over the card and everything before I throw it in, but all right, so I just got the door off. Honestly, I'm about to drive around like this. 20 bolts later, we got the fender off. Now we got the fender and the door off. It's looking kind of crazy, I'm not gonna lie. There doesn't look to be any frame damage. This is just a fender liner. I folded up, but it does not look to be any frame damage on the car. It's all just the fender and the door. To be honest, the fender and the door took all the impact, so very good sign. Alright, guys, it's been a couple of days. As you can see, the driver's side of the car is completely transformed. We got the new fender on, we got the new hood on, we also got the new driver's side door on. It's crazy. Even with the old front bumper, it doesn't look too bad. The spacing right here is a little weird and above the headlight, but we'll get that fixed. Fitment with the fender wasn't perfect. As you can see, it kind of starts off big up here, gets smaller as it goes down. I try to fix it as much as I can, but I'm not really too worried. As long as the door opens and closes, I'm good. So spacing with the hood, try to stay as consistent as I could. It looks pretty good right now. Spacing up here is also pretty good. But as you can see, the clear coat on the fender is it's trash, bro. This whole fender has to get redone. So you guys can see the hood spacing. It's not that bad, bro. For a hood that's not even supposed to be on this car, it's pretty even, bro. Maybe this side has a little bit more. That's something we could fix easily. Take like 2 minutes to adjust, but I know this side did get hit, so maybe the headlight has something to do with why there's so much space over here. And also right here, I know the bumper looks a little deformed. To see that shit is a little deformed right here. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but spacing is not too bad. Something we could deal with. Hopefully I can get it to a body shop and have them fix that. Just iron out the wrinkles, but I'm not a professional body panel installer. I did what I could. I'm gonna let the professionals probably handle the rest. Another thing I have to show you guys, the rear door. I didn't know the rear door was this bad until I put the front door on, bro. So once I put the front door on, you realize how banged in the driver's side rear door is. So I'm gonna probably end up getting another door. It's paint matched. So I'm gonna go and grab that. Hopefully it'll fix that issue, because that is not pretty. New dailies already coming together. I can drive around in my parking lot as much as I want. Still got a long way to go to get her street legal. We still gotta install the airbags. Those are actually on order. Got the seat airbags and the curtain airbags to replace. Those are the only airbags that went off in the car. And also the seat belts, you have to replace it because of the restraint system. Those are all on the way. Then we can get this car inspected and start driving it on the road, man. Cannot wait, bro. Also forgot to mention, this is an XDrive. I don't know if they debadged it, but I searched up the VIN number and everything, and this is an XDrive model. All the fluids are getting flushed on this car. Transmission fluid, oil, coolant, washer fluid, you name it, you think about it, I'm gonna probably flush that shit. So ignition coils, spark plugs, all the little things that I can do for preventative maintenance, I'll do for now. But as of right now, how she sits, I'm so happy with it. The Harman Kardon speaker system is amazing in this shit. I'm coming with a Civic with no music, definitely a big change. I'm excited to see how far I'm really gonna take it, because once I get to modifying, I can't really stop. So we're gonna see how this car treats us, man. Maintenance first, performance next. Car definitely needs a full detail. Once you get a full detail, clean the engine bay up, do all the preventative maintenance, this shit gonna be a slider, bro. We're gonna see it, bro. Watch. Already getting the BMW chimes, bro. How the fuck? Oh, this is what you guys go through. Okay. It's completely stopped, so I will be the one doing the molesting. Take that back. I'll not be molesting anything.